I got a gym cap for that. What do you say? You want me to add? I got some pipe covers.
Okay, I accept.
Ooh.
Okay, I have this glitter squishy duck.
Let me see. Ooh, this one's heavy. Ooh, really squishy. It even locks, look. I got some plumber's putty for that.
Pretty slimy. Kind of feels like Play-Doh. Okay, yes, I accept. I have this.
Ooh, a needle. Let me see that. Ooh. I got a front coat for that one. It's really squishy.
Yeah, really bendy. This.
Okay, I have this for that. Let me see this first. Ooh. That's a little level.
Whoa, this is actually cool. I like this. I accept.
I got some shoe covers.
I got
See
those.
this? Do you accept? You want me to add? Okay. I'll give you 2 of them.
I can do this.
I got this, but ooh, this one's heavy too.
I don't like brownie a little bit, but
Do you accept?
or be squishy duckling.
Okay. I have this wax ring. I accept too. Okay, I have more shoe covers. How about I give you the whole box to make it even?
I accept.
I accept.
Yeah, cool.
Ooh, that carrot looks really nice.
I can do this.
That one's really cool. That looks expensive. I got something expensive too. I got a rigid pro press jaws for that.
What is that?
Let me show you. It's to pro press copper fittings.
Okay, I accept.
Okay, I accept too. There you go.
Thank you.
I'll take this.
Okay, bye guys. I'm getting picked up early, okay?
Bye.
Bye.
Hey Jaime, have you seen my Pro Press?